Are you using Decodable Books to effectively enhance your child's reading progress? This step-by-step guide will ensure you get your home reading sessions spot on every time. So my first question to you is, how long can your child focus on a task? Probably not that long, since they are only young, and so reading sessions should last no more than 10 minutes and be done every day. Don't worry if your child didn't get to the end of the book or read that many pages in one session. You'll continue on tomorrow. Short and sweet is always best when it comes to your reading practice at home. So start by looking at the front cover together, look at the title, and you can have a discussion with them about what they think the book could be about. Next, on the review page, ask your child to read the sounds and/or tricky words. These will have been taught in your child's phonics lessons in school and on the app that week. If they are unsure of any, be sure to jump in and help out right away. You can refer to our phone voicing videos to check how to correctly pronounce the sounds. Now you're ready to start reading the book. Work through each page decoding the words. This should sound something like it, is, arg, ns, argens, a, birthday. It is Arjun's birthday. Once they have successfully decoded a sentence or phrase, don't forget that magic reread. Have your child read through the sentence again to build fluency. This might take 2 or 3 attempts to get it nice and fluent, but it is worth sticking with as it makes progress so much quicker. Be sure to keep up your constant praise throughout the reading session. Keep on working through the book in this way. You could stop at different points to chat about the book. You might want to ask your child what might happen next, how the character might be feeling, if they've ever felt that way, if they like the book, for example. Once you hit that 10-minute mark, you can call it a day and pick up again tomorrow. Most importantly of all is to have fun whilst reading together. If your child can love reading and look forward to your reading sessions together, you're absolutely onto a winner.